Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's a lovely day and I figured I'd give y'all some more content. Earlier in the week I installed an LED headlight here in my 84 Toyota Celica. I only had one because I was misinformed or I read wrong on the actual description of the item that I bought. But anyway, I ordered another one, so here we are. We have two headlights now, fellas, two headlights. And I already rewired this one. I did that one in the previous video and they both work, but I'm still having the issue where when I turn on the high beams, I'll go ahead and turn on the lights for you. So when I turn on the high beams, the lights turn off. I can't figure it out, but the only other thing that I can think of is on the headlights themselves, there's another wire where you can hook in the daytime running lights. And what happens is when you hook that wire up, when you turn on your parking lights, these lights here on the outer edges, I guess you call those angel eyes, or I don't know. Anyway, they should light up when you turn on your parking lights. So maybe since that's not hooked up or whatever, when I go to hook this one wire up to the corner lens, maybe the high beams will work. I'm thinking maybe that's part of the circuit for the high beams. So anyway, I bought some tools from Advanced Auto. First thing I bought was a wire stripper and crimper and cutter and circuit tester. Then I bought some 16 gauge wire. Then I bought some 16 gauge T-taps. And I also bought some 67 mini lamps or mini light bulbs for my corner lens because this bulb here does not work anymore. I noticed that in my last video and I said, okay, let me fix that. So without further ado, we're going to get into making these adapters for the daytime running lights, and we're going to see what happens. All right, guys, so I did some wiring 101 and made my little connectors for the daytime running lights. I decided to go with butt connectors to hook into the daytime running light socket. And I also changed to female butt connectors on the daytime running lights. And basically what I did was I crimped the T-splice into the green wire on the parking light. The green wire is the power wire and the white and black wire is the ground. So once you crimp into there, you take the male connector here and slide it onto this T-clamp right here. Once it's in there, you hear a click and boom, there you have it. That's your connection there. Now, once the parking lamps are turned on, power will be ran through this wire and the male end of the butt connector will be in the daytime running light and it will power up that daytime running light on the headlights. I did the same for the other side as well. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff connected and I'll show you exactly what I came up with. All right, guys, so here we are. I have everything hooked up. Basically, like I said, I use the male and female butt connector on the daytime running light there, on the plug for the headlights, and ran it over to the parking light here on a T-clamp, on a T-splitter. And now I'm going to demonstrate to you exactly how the lights look. Basically, that's what we have. Actually, there we go. That's your low beams, okay? And they're pretty bright. I like the way it came out. Try to do this quick because we have a little bit of overcast out here and it looked like it's going to try to rain on me. But yeah, that's your low beams. Now I'm still running into the problem with the high beams Like I said in a previous video, everything is hooked up properly, so I don't know why we're having this issue with the high beams. But you know what? I'm not gonna sweat it, because how often do you use the high beams anyway? I'll figure it out, and when I do, I'll make a video on that. But I'm gonna show you what happens when I turn on the high beams. When I turn on the high beams, the lights still work, but it goes into like this dim mode. And no, that's not my low beams, because basically what happens is when you turn on the high beams, all 3 rows of these lights should light up, and it's blindingly bright. But that's not what's happening. Let me start the car up and see if it changes, but I don't think it changes. Yeah, so it doesn't change any. I feel like it got maybe a little bit more brighter just because the car's running, but like I said, all 3 rows of these lights should be lit up on the high beams, and they're not. As soon as I turn it on the low beams, the regular middle row of lights comes on very bright. That's your low beams. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the daytime running lights look like. So that's your daytime running lights. That's where that little connector where I modified for the male and female butt connector. That's what that power source does. It just has the outer 2 lights running, and it looks pretty cool. Aside from that, I like these headlights. They look pretty futuristic. They bring out the look of the car. Let me drop the hood and let you see what it looks like. So yeah, they look pretty good. Once I figure out the high beams, that'll be that much better. But there we are, guys. The Celica has LED headlights now. Till next video, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We out.